Great price. Okay, it's like AM, and I haven't really been changing my clothes very much. I think I've been wearing like the same 3 shirts. Bananas, tomatoes, avocados. These are like, oh, 99-cent avocados? What? I want to make sure that we're eating healthy, but you know, we need protein as well. So efficient, like affordable ways. Can't always just have meat because it can get expensive. Yo, it's been a pretty successful night, just grinding through the deliveries. I haven't eaten any protein today, so it's like a 10 o'clock, so we're gonna head to Walmart before it closes. For today, we're just gonna go with one of these skillets. Yeah, it smells good. So yeah, we just kind of threw it all in the pan and just gonna let it heat up with what are these called? Skillets, cast iron skillets. You gotta let them heat up quite a bit. So here's our delicious food. Cheers. Good, hell yeah. So this is cheap, delicious meal. $6. You know, probably like $6.50 if we're counting the propane and cleaning supplies. So I've been using this now. I have like the Velcro. I put it on the window for the blackout curtain, and that seems to help quite a bit. Castaway Deep X was telling me that he uses like suction cups. He sent me some pictures. It's pretty cool. I might do that. I like the Velcro a lot, but that's a good idea. What I'm trying to say is, like, when it's $1 a minute, it's really nice. Something that really bothers me about Albertsons is their scales are in random places. You see, there's not a scale there, there's not a scale there, there's not a scale there, not a scale there. There's one here. At some stores, they're built into like these gondola type things. They're like in there, so it's different at every store. Yep, Cybertrucks are lame, but not when it's got 6. That's right, we're gonna level up together, guys! See those boys? They all hit Super Saiyan. We can't do! Sit. Why is he bleeding? We wait for the battery box to get in. I wanted to finish connecting the boards in the back to that cross member, and I just thought it was funny because I was talking to the eBay seller about this not sticking, and they were like, yeah, if you give me positive feedback, I'll refund your money. I'm like, will you? It's kind of what we're working with. So I'm gonna just drill these extra pieces we have like right there. So that way it clears that board, and then I can get it into the thing, and that'll sturdy it up real well. And then we'll do something similar on this side. Okay, so here's where we're at. I decided that we needed to get this more stable. I didn't like this being wrapped around it. It was kind of not a good idea because the metal here scrapes against the flooring or whatever, and yeah, on top of that, this flooring material is pretty cool because you can get the screws to kind of embed into them. I am happy with how this turned out. It's nice and sturdy now. It's not going to be moving at all anymore. And now we're going to work on this side. So I don't have access to the saw anymore, so we're just going to send it. This is a ridiculous thing that I've created. It's such a concoction. I'm gonna try to drill one of the, strong ones now and hopefully not break it all. I am satisfied with this revision, like revision 4 or something. I don't know, 3.5, 2.221. I don't know, something like that. But everything's nice and tighter now, very much tighter. So yeah, we just need the battery box and we can finish the electrical system. Welcome to another episode of cheap cooking for the affordable food eating or healthy, cheap food cooking, eating cheap. I honestly think this is the best deal food-wise at Walmart. So it's cheap, has these decent proteins, and will blow your sodium budget. But is it good? The chicken is tender, not chewy. It tastes like Alfredo. It's a pretty light flavor. The peas are very flavorful. The noodles are cooked well. It's not bad. So even though we have cleaned the pins a few times now, we still have to like take it in and put it out and hit the reset button a few times before it actually starts. So, you know, I kind of wish they would just have reset or I think what I want to do is look into how to actually take it apart and fix the circuit inside, because there's just a disconnect or something. So now I gotta try to get to the second stage. This iteration is much stronger. Very happy with it. Dang, $50 a pound? What? It's gotta be delicious. Same, different. Same, 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 different, same, different. So we did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Today is actually my like for-shoot birthday, and I've never celebrated. So, thanks. Like, for reals. Now we get to go to Galloping Ghost Arcade and yeah, start like this, I don't know, crazy journey. Having support is new to me, especially having like a group of people who believe in me, or a group who has probably done more for me than they really realize. And yeah, so thank you. Del Taco hasn't gotten back to us, but I shot like a little promo video and I'm gonna put it up. It's a short, so you know, I try to have fun with the short content. I want to do like kind of goofy, sort of stupid meta things, you know. I like making fun of myself as well as like what's going on in social media or whatever. I don't know. So for those of you who enjoy that, I greatly appreciate it. But we've also tried out a lot of content. You know, I feel like over the last few years, I've been like basically trying to push all the buttons on YouTube, right? Because I have a very poor self-image, and it's something that I've been working on for the majority of my life, but it's just a process, and we're all trying to level up out here, you know? Again, I just want to say that I'm sincere I try not to do a lot of call to actions, and I'm sincere in saying that, like, I appreciate you spending time with me, you know, and watching my videos. And if you reach out, I will do the best I can to communicate with you. And I can't say that I have all of the time in the world, because I don't, but, you know, I have time for people who reach out and want to talk, you know, and it just is what it is. Like, I got emailed by somebody who is setting up a Speeduino for a tractor, and we were able to talk about that, and things like that really are fulfilling, you know. So what is After Earth Arcade is a tough question to answer. After Earth Arcade is a brand, you know. It's this high-level concept of a grouping of things, you know, like it's the idea of creating experiences out of the world around us. The reality is that in order to do anything in this world, it has a financial cost. So I liken that to an arcade game. You have to put in money into an arcade machine in order to have this experience.